What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is January 19th of January. I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I have a box that came in from Amazon from a friend, YouTube friend. And I wanted to say thank you for the unboxing. I just want y'all to see what it is. And let's see what it's up. So this is the first box right here. You know, cause this month, y'all know this month I've been doing a lot of walking, and it been putting a toll on my foot, and I still be putting in the work. You know what I mean? So my friend wanted to look out for me, which I definitely appreciated, and got me some good stuff. Cause anything is good if you ask me, except for them plants. So he tried to give me a plant. I don't want no plant. Oh, wow. Look at this. Add some salt from Amazon. Got one, two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got 6 of them. So I'm definitely gonna use these, especially because my body being sore, especially with all the walking and stuff I'm doing. So I need to take better care of that right there, that situation. So we have that. And in box number 2, I only have 2 boxes for today. It's collapsible foot spa. Collapsible foot spa. Look at this. So I could give my foot the spa treatment because of all the walking, and this look pretty cool. Cause at the bottom it got the little ridges on there, so I could kind of like move my foot and massage my foot just by moving them. So this is awesome. I definitely want to say thank you, for the gift. I really do appreciate it. I will be using it. I got this on Monday, and I just now, I've been busy and tired trying to get the other stuff done. So I was able to open today because I had a little bit more time, and I definitely appreciate it. I will be using it today and probably some more days because I definitely need it for this month. So, let's open it up though. Let's open it up. We gotta be nosy. We gotta be a little bit nosy, right? Let's see. It says collapsible, so let's see how that goes. Let me see. Do we supposed to go up or something? Or it's like this? It's like it's supposed to expand. Oh, there you go. There you go. See? It opens up. And I can put my foot in here from the side angle and then get the foot care that I need. You know what I mean? So this how, and then if I want to close it, all I got to do is just push it in. This be pretty good because I can take it wherever I want to. So I got the foot spa. What is it called? The foot spa. The foot spa bath. Awesome. And the Epsom salt. So I never really done this before. So I guess I just put water in there and put this in and see what it do. So if anybody got any ideas on how I'm supposed to use this, just let me know. But this is what I got. I want to say thank you so very much for the gift. I really do appreciate it. I really do need it, especially because the way I've been putting in so much work. And I definitely gonna use it. And I will let you know how it goes when I use it. So you know who you is that gift me this. I definitely appreciate it. So just remember, whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, own moderation, stress, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. Cheese.